Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the prime factorization. Prime factorization. Before that, what are prime factors? What are prime factors? The factors of a number which are prime are called its prime factors. We know the factors. What is the factor? When we multiply two numbers, we will get one product. Yes, that number is factor of that product. The given number is factor of the product. Suppose when we multiply two numbers, suppose 6 and 8. 6 into 8, 6 8 is 48. 6 is a factor of 48 and 8 is a factor of 48. Same like that are called factors. Here, the factors of a number which are prime. In that which are prime, what is a prime number? What is a prime number? A number having exactly two factors, one and itself. Which number having only two factors, one and itself, that is a prime number. Yes, suppose first we have write the factors for one number. In that, which are prime numbers that are called prime factors of the given number. For example, we are going to write the factors of 24. Factors of 24. 24 will come in what tables? 1 24s, 24, 2 12s, 24, 3 8s, 24, 4 6s, 24. 5 table will not come. Again 6 4s are 24. Reverse 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 24 1s are 24. Now factors of 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors of 24. The factors of a number which are prime. We write the factors of 24 here. In this, what are the prime numbers? 1. 1 is a prime number? No. Why? 1 is not a prime number. It is not a composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Prime means a number having two factors, it is called a prime number. A number having more than two factors is called a composite number. So 1 having only one factor, so it is not a prime number, it is not a composite number. Next 2. 2 will come in what tables? 1 table, 2 table. So exactly two factors having for 2. So 2 is a prime number. Again 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 also will come in 1 table and 3 table. Remaining all will be composite numbers. So here what are the prime factors? 2 and 3 are prime factors. And 2 is one more. It is even number also. So the even prime is 2. The even prime is 2. So now what are here prime factors? Prime factors of 24. Prime factors of 24. We write the factors for 24. In that which are prime? 2 and 3. So these two are prime factors of 24. 2 and 3 are prime factors of 24. The factors of a number which are prime. The factors of a number which are prime are called its prime factors. First we should write the factors for 24. In that what are the prime numbers? That prime numbers are called prime factors of the given number. Next one is prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? A number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. Any number we can express as a product of its prime factors. For example, suppose we will take 30. How we will express this 30 as a product of prime factors? 30 how we should write? 2 15s, 30. Again, 2 as it is this 15 how we should write? 3 5s are 15. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now these 2, 3, 5 are prime numbers. So a number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. Every number can be expressed as a product of its prime factors. Next, one more example. 48. 2 24s, 48. Again 2 here as it is. 24, 2 12s are. Again these 2 and these 2. Again this 12 how we can express? 2 6s are. 2, 2, 2. Again this 6 how we should write? 2 3s are 6. Now these are the prime numbers. Yes, 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So this is a number can be expressed as product of its prime factors. We express it as product of its prime factors. A factorization in which every factor is a prime number. Every factor is a prime number is called prime factorization. This is called factorization. Yes, we express as a product of its prime factors. It is called factorization, in which this factorization, every number is a prime number. It is called a prime factorization. A factorization in which every factor is a prime number. First of all, it is called factorization. Any number, we can express the given number as a product of its prime factors. It is called factorization. We express the factors as every factor is a prime number. A factorization in which every number, every factor is a prime number. It is called prime factorization. Suppose here 30, how we should express? 2 into 3 into 5. Here 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. Same 48. 48 also how we express? Like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Yes, in this all 2 is a prime number and 3 is a prime number. Suppose 35. 35 how we should write? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Here 5 and 7 are prime numbers. So it is called prime factorization. It is called prime factorization. Every number can be expressed as product of its prime factors. It is called factorization. A factorization in which every number is a prime number. Every factor is a prime factor is called prime factorization. It is a prime factorization. Prime factorization can be done in two methods. To express the prime factorization, we are using two methods. In that first one is repeated division method or simple division method also we can say. Repeated division method or division method. Next second one, factor tree method. We express the prime factorization in two methods. In that first one is repeated division method. Second one is factor tree method. Repeated division method and factor tree method. Now we are learning how we will solve the given problems in repeated division method. Okay, now for example, find the prime factorization of Find the prime factorization of 27, 36, 45 in division method. In division method. We have to find the prime factorization of these three numbers using what method? Division method. First 27. 27 will come in two table. We learn the divisibility rules. We have to apply the divisibility rules here. Is it possible to do with the 2? No. Why? The the ones place digit is, what will be there? It is divisible by 2. The ones place digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is there, then it is divisible by 2. But here what is the ones place digit? 7. So it is not divisible by 2. Next we have to check with 3. 3 table, is it possible? 2 plus 7. What is the divisibility rule by 3? Sum of the digits. We have to add the digits. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 will come in 3. So 3 table 27 will come. So we have to write this 3 here. This 3 table, this 27, how many times it will come? 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. So we have to write here 3 nines are 27. When we multiply these two, we have to get this number. Okay, 3 table 27 will come. How many times it will come? 3 nines are 27. So we have to write here 9. Next, this 9 will come in 2 table? No. 3 table 9 will come. So again 3 right here. 3 table 9 how many times? 3 3s are 9. So one more 3 we have to write here. Next, this 3 will come in what table? 3 table. So 3 how many times? 3 1s are 3. When we do these two multiplication, we have to get this number. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. Like that we have to write. This method is called repeated division method. This method is called repeated division method. So what is the prime factorization for 27? 3 into these 3 we have to write. 3 into 3. This one no need to write. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Next for 36. 36 will come in 2 table. Yes. How? It ends with 6. Ones plus digit 6 is there, it is divisible by 2. So we have to check with the 2. When we do division, 2 ones are 2. Remaining how much here? 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 6 16. 2 table 16 how many times? 2 8s are 16. So 2 18. 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. Next 18. It ends with 8. So it is divisible by 2? Yes. So here write 2 table 18 how many times? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Again 2 table 9 will come? No. 3 table it will come? Yes. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table 3. 3 1s are 3. Now check here. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 9s are 18. 2 18s are 36. So what is the prime factorization here for 36? We have to write this one. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is what method we use to find the prime factorization? Division method. One more. 45. 45. First, is it possible with the 2 table? No. Why? It ends with 5. So it is not possible with the 2. 3 table 4 plus 5 9. 9 will come in 3 table? Yes. So it is possible with 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Remaining 4 minus 3 1. 1 5 15. 3 5s are 15. Again 3 table 15 will come. 3 5s are 15. Again it will come 5 will come in only 5 table. So 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 15s 45. So 45 how we should write? 3 into 3 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. We use what method to find the prime factorization? We use division method to find the prime factorization. This is the division method of prime factorization. Next one, to find the prime factorization in factor tree method. Find the prime factorization of 18, 55, 64 in factor tree method. We have to use factor tree method and we have to find the prime factorization for this number. First 18. 18 how we should write? 18. Here we have to write like this one. 18. 2 table it will come, yes. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Next, here again 2 will come. Again 2 we can write? No. We can no need to write 2. Now we can write 3 here. 9. We can write factors for 9. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. For 18 first we write 2 9s are 18. Next for 9 we write 3 3s are 9. So 18 is equal to, how we should write? 2 into 3 into 3. This is factor tree method to find the prime factorization. Next one, 55. 55. 55 will come in what table? 5 table. Yes? 2 table, 3 table it will not come. 5 table. 5 11s are 55. 5 1s are 5 1s. 5 11s are 55. Here 5 and 11 are what numbers? Prime numbers. So 55 is equal to 5 into 11. Next one, 64. 64, how we express it? 2 table it will come, yes. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 2 32, 64. 2 is a prime number, we can't express. Again 32. 32 is a composite number, we can express. How? 2 16s, 32. Again 16. 2 8s are 16. Again 8. 2 4s are 8. Again 4. 2 2s are 4. Now how we should write the 64? The 64 is equal to these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the factor tree method for 64. And this is the factor tree method of the prime factorization. To find the prime factorization, we are using two methods. One is division method, another one is factor tree method. Okay, what is the prime factorization? A factorization in which every number is a prime number. It is called prime factorization. To find the prime factorization, how many methods are there? Two methods. What are the two methods? One is repeated division method. Second one is factor tree method.